What's going on, everybody? My name is Evan, and today we're going to be fishing some BFS for some pond largemouth. Today we have a new to me rod. This is a Megabass Levante F2 64 LV, 6'4", light fast, I would call it. Been messing around all afternoon here on this dreary November day, and I had a couple of good eats on the Karashi, so we're going to try to continue to build on our success here. So without further ado, let's get into it. One thing I'm doing differently with this bait, because of how cold it is a lot of people, when they have a Karashi, they're working that thing, you know, making it walk really quick back and forth. And that quick back and forth isn't really what's going to work right now. It's November, the water's super cold, we're looking at 40-degree water temps, and those fish, they're still a little sluggish, but you can get them to react. You just have to present this in a different way. Now, I've noticed a lot of other baits I was using today, these fish are eating it like right on shore. Like, I'm looking at less than a foot of water, and so what I'm doing is I'm letting this thing get up underneath the surface, you know, 6 inches to a foot down, and I'm just twitching it, still walking that bait, but it's not going to be on the surface. It's going to be, you know, a foot down, 6 inches down underneath the surface. So it's not making a wake on the surface, it's just sitting underneath that surface and just kind of twitching. And that's honestly the perfect presentation right now, because there's some sparse bait fish up here, some young of your bluegill hanging out shallow, and those fish, they like to push them up and then feed. Very light twitches. I'm barely moving that rod tip. I'm doing more work with the reel than I am the rod. More often than not, you're going to see that fish eat, because it's just under the surface. So even if you're in some murkier water, you're going to see that fish eat. If you're one of those guys that loves to fish a frog and you know how to walk a frog, I'm doing almost the exact same thing right now. Oh, hey, there's a turtle. I'm assuming he's alive. He's just chilling. Good job, Mr. Turtle. What are you doing? What you doing, buddy? Oh, yeah. See? He's just a little guy. Oh, he's got a little stub. He's got a little stubby for an arm in the front. Oh, he's mad. He's a mad little guy. We'll put him back. We'll put him right back where we found him. Bye, Mr. Turtle. There we go. Yeah. Hey, I don't. Ow! 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 Jerk! Hey! What did I get myself into with this? Come here. Now that is much smaller than what I've been catching, but proof of concept nonetheless. Ew. Oh, that's so much fun. That was a sick eat. That was a sick eat, you guys. Yeah. I maybe should have let this one tire out a bit, but it's okay. All right. Did I just lose a treble? I think I just lost a treble, you guys. I did. I just lost a treble off of that thing. Ooh, look at the gouge on that guy. Oh, well, that stinks. We've got one hook that's a little bit bent out. We just lost one of the trebles off of our other hook. So that stinks. Well, it's not going to stop me. Okay, I think we're gonna call it there. This is the setup right here. We've got that Megabass Levante F2 64LV paired to a Soronoya Dark Wolf Ultra, obviously the Karashi. We've got 8-pound Diver Samurai on there with a 6-pound Invisix leader. I've got a sweet new reel that I'm going to be pairing this rod up with, but it has not arrived yet. It's coming from Japan, so hopefully that'll be early 2026. But we're going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you later.